Hello friends, welcome in the Guest Remedy. Today we are going to discuss a case of COVID-19 infection which is treated exclusively by homeopathy. So this is the case of 65 years old female and she is a known case of diabetes. So when she came to me, she had she started with throat irritation, throat pain, and the reason for that was she got wet in the rain, she got exposed to cold air, and she developed this throat irritation. With that, she had fever, high grade fever, and in that fever, she would have lot of chilliness, and that chills used to begin from the arms. There was more chilliness at the arms and at the region of chest. Okay, and chills used to begin from arms. And those chills used to increase by lying down. In lying down position, chills were more, and it will be less by covering. She would have lot of body ache during the fever, and that body ache would reduce by hot fermentation. She has dry cough also, and with that cough she has a headache would get aggravated by cough, and she has started with little difficulty in breathing with cough. Okay, so this was the initial picture. So I was having Kent repertory with me. So when I try to find out the rubric from the repertory, so this chilliness starting from the arms is very characteristic symptom whenever we see the any fever patient. So I saw that rubric in the Kent repertory, and there are very few medicines in this rubric. So one of the medicine is belladonna, and as we know, belladonna is well known for fever, well known for getting wet or cold exposure, and the lying down aggravation, right? So Nash says lying down aggravation is the general characteristic of belladonna. So I gave her belladonna 200, and I asked her to do COVID test. So her COVID test came positive. So I continued the belladonna, and after the second dose, I got feedback from her that I am very much better. I am almost 70% relieved from my chill, from my body ache. There is no fever after belladonna. So I was very happy. So I asked her to continue belladonna. I asked her to get home quarantine, and I did the investigation. I did her X-ray chest. So X-ray chest was normal. So I was a bit relieved. So we continued the homeopathic treatment with home quarantine. Okay. So second day also I continued the belladonna. On the third day, okay. So after 2 days, uh, what happened? So she said after on the day 3 follow, I developed 7 to 8 loose motions yesterday, and I am feeling much better after loose motions. Okay. The cough is also reduced, dyspnea is also reduced, but I started since evening kind of internal shaking. I'm feeling that the coldness of the chest is still there, which was there before also. So I'm feeling lot of coldness in my chest, and I'm feeling something uneasiness in my chest, something is moving inside, something is trembling in my chest. I'm feeling that, and with that I'm feeling that in my stomach I'm getting very weird feeling, very uneasiness is there in my stomach, very discomfort in my discomfort is there in my stomach. I'm feeling as if something moving, right? So that is the feeling she was telling me. And with that she said, not only I'm feeling internal coldness, but I'm feeling the if we touch, I'm feeling this area is cold more than the other body parts. With that I am having headache also, and this headache is increased today, and I am having a bursting kind of headache at my vertex, and kind of pain is like hammering. Okay, as if somebody is hammering on my head. So hammering kind of headache, head pain I am having, and which is getting ameliorated by rest. Okay. So these are the new symptoms I got on the day 3. And she said, since 2 days I am developing lot of irritability. I am getting angry easily on small things. I am getting angry, I am becoming irritable. Her husband is also came positive when we did the test of all family. So her husband, and she was quarantined, and she said whatever single word he says and I get irritated. I was not before like this. Since these 2 days I am become so much irritable. And she said that while talking on phone with my son, we had a fight, we had an argument, and he said something to me and I got really hurt. I felt very bad. I am his mother. I raised him. Okay. So, and how could he talk with me like this? How could he do this to me? Okay. So I feel really bad. Okay. So what is the experience of her? She said, I'm really hurt because of that. How he can talk with me like that? I'm his mother. Okay. So I got really affected by these incidents. So that is one thing she shared with me. So I took the totality, I analyzed the case, and I gave the medicine. Okay. So this is the case, this is the third follow and hold the evolution of the case. So now what you have to do, you have to analyze the case, you have to raise your totality, and you have to refer your books and come up with your medicine. So analyze the case, raise the totality, do your reference work, and guess the remedy. Thank you.